Alright guys, another day, another property to smash. This one is the big one and it's gonna be challenging because it's got massive glossy kitchen. Sometimes it's not that easy to flip the property quickly. Here we go. That's the kitchen which I'm gonna tackle today. This job is going to be done in 2 days. So I'm gonna do the kitchen today. It's Sunday, so I don't feel like I've got any more energy. The fronts a little bit smelly, but they're not too bad. Unfortunately, inside there's a lot of going on. We've got appliances, a bit of grease everywhere. So it's going to be a bit longer than usual cleaning. Oven, washing machine, dishwasher. I don't know if you noticed, this is the new modern kitchens that they do these days. All the fronts are coming off. If you're planning to do the steam cleaning, you're not gonna be able to do the steam cleaning for these fronts as everything's gonna start coming off. So we've got this kitchen. There's little room with the glass cabinets in here. And there is 4-bedroom upstairs, 2 bathrooms, 1 toilet, 1 lounge, lots of carpets. So this is the property which I don't like to do really, because it takes time and it's never good rate in case of money you're charging for this property compared to the time which you have to spend. But let's not talk, let's crack on. The units around the cooking area next to the hob, when someone is heavy cooking, that grease which you can see in here is literally like liquid glue. Doesn't matter what you're gonna put on that, what kind of degreaser you're gonna use. It's very difficult to get rid of that. So after you vacuum the debris, you're just spraying on top and you're just literally spraying on the sides. And believe me or not, you have to lose that grease before you can wipe that off. There's no any other way. If you do this gently, you're not gonna cause any scratches. But this will speed you up the process of cleaning this significantly. See? You can feel under the sponge that everything is loose already. And same for this side. You just literally have to scrub this off. See? This is like rock solid glue. Luckily it's usually only around the cooking area. These people have been cooked like crazy, look. There's grease literally sticking to the walls everywhere. It's dripping from the hob, honestly. This is tough one. See? They're still there. Guys, I've got so many questions. How you battle this kind of grease? This is literally like liquid glue, stick it to the surface. Whatever you're gonna spray on this will never dilute that. This is rock solid. You have to break the structure and then you may gonna be able to remove. Now, your best mate. You have to put a little bit more of the dishwasher product and you're just literally breaking that structure. There we go. Now, never wipe that off straight away or you're gonna kill your microfiber cloth. Get the vacuum, extract. Wipe with the dry cloth. That's it. Job done. Simple as it is. Sometimes it's not easy at all. This is very difficult to remove. So let's scrub that shit out. Washing machine. Front face, top as far you can reach. Solution drawer, glass, seal, edges. I don't know what's happened here, but it's completely covered with some kind of black residue. So let's see where we are, how quickly we can get rid of that. I can see that I'm gonna need my vacuum works together now. That's how you do it actually. And it's done. Now let's talk about the dishwasher. So for the dishwasher, sides, edges, top, seals around, edges, and then you have to check inside. This one hasn't been used too much. Filter looks pretty alright. So what I'm gonna do is spraying around on the edges. Do the seals. Do the doors around. On the corners. The sides. That's all what you need to do. And now, as usual, two dishwasher tablets. Oh. And you're going to 70 degree. Boom. Okay, time for break. So in 1.5 hours I've got washing machine done, all the units downstairs up to the dishwasher, the top units on this side. So what's left is the oven and this part of the units and the extractor, sink, window and American style fridge freezer. So like I said on the beginning, this is the property which you not gonna like it. They time consuming. The problem with those glossy fronts, they're very soft, because when they manufacture them to get this glossy sheen, they have to make them a little bit like rubble, so the grease is literally melting into it. They're very difficult to clean, very difficult. And each time you're gonna have those glossy kitchens, you're gonna be struggling if someone cooked heavily. So I'm assuming I should wrap up this kitchen in approximately around 4 hours. 4 hours is the maximum time that you should spend in the kitchen to make it nice, singing, dancing. I'm mostly not doing the ovens anymore because I hate doing the ovens and they cost me 50 quid for someone to come and dig it. So if the oven is not too bad, then yes, I can do it, but if it's like this one, no thank you, it's not for me. I will pay 50 and someone gonna come and will sort that out for me. Alright, it's time for the break and I will smash the bottom countertop and I will probably give the extractor, hob and the oven for 70 quid for someone to do it. So instead of sitting and digging these 3 areas for an hour, I can focus and do the toilet